I took a bit of a break. While I was inside, I checked the first 18 minutes of the video and there was no sound. And so I told my boyfriend that this device is not working, and he pointed out that it has a power button. So I didn't turn on the power. That's why there was no sound. Anyway, so now the power is on. I went to get my screwdrivers. I mentioned well, I'm going to try and do a voiceover just because there is no sound. If I can't figure it out, I'll just have writing on the bottom of the picture to say what I was doing, because I didn't do a lot of talking. It was mostly just doing the work, but I did talk a bit. And yeah, so I'm going to try and do a voiceover. If that doesn't work, like I said, I'll put writing on the bottom and put some music maybe, and fix it up that way. But now I have the microphone on, and at the end of the last clip, I did mention that for the cabinet here, I needed a plus screwdriver. I don't know if it's called a Phillips or a Robinson or what. And then I brought a flat-heading case. And yeah, so we're going to continue on. So I'll position you to the work area. Oh, where are the bins? Oh, they're more over that way. There, that's the area that I'm working in. Right about there. All right, so here, let's try this again. I am going to take these hinges off first. I don't know if we're keeping them or not, so I should have brought a little bowl out. Oh well. Well, I'm just going to leave it here. Actually, I've got the little case for my microphone. Maybe I'll put the screw. Oops, I lost a piece. Oh, that's an adapter for an iPhone. I don't have an iPhone. But anyways, there's a little pouch. Put it in the pouch with the instructions. Well, I probably should have read the instructions, right? Duh. All right, there. I got a little spot for the screws now. Whoop, wrong one. There we go. The reason why I'm trying to make everything as small as possible is because it'll take up less room in the recycling bins and the garbage bins. Now this big metal rack, I'm going to move over to the other side because I may use it for my cucumbers or something to climb up of. And then I still have to take this all apart and then rake this area, and then it's done. So I will do that with the camera off, and so the video won't be too long. My lion I'll probably keep here. But yeah, move that, cut that, and then clean up. So I will see you on the next one. Take care. Remember, do what makes you happy and everything else will fall into place. See you later. Okay, so here is the finished product. You got the blue bin and the black bin, so I have to wait till those in the lane are empty so I can dump those in. All the wood from last year is there, the shelf and the part of the office furniture, and then some sticks that were lying on the ground. So that's all cleaned up, ready to go. And then all the branches that were over here have all been cut. Well, most of them have been cut up. I did keep some to put there. I thought that would be a nice spot. I always wanted to have a spot for the birds to land on, which is also why I did these bamboo sticks in this barrier, because I want the birds to have a place to land. Somehow I do want to block that area above the fence, because there are I don't know if they're hawks or like those blackbirds, those big blackbirds. They come in and harass the little songbirds. So if I can think of a way that I don't destroy the fence, that I can put something there. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. I think the top of the fence is like 5.5 inches, 6 inches. I think they used a 1x6 or 1x4 or something, 2x4. No, not 2x4, 2x6, 1x4. I don't know, something like that. So I'd like to block that off. But isn't that nice for the birds? And then I still have to clean this bird feeder, this bird feeder, and this bird feeder. They have to be cleaned. And then my lion's still here, so they could land on him too. And all this part of the property is all cleaned up. There is pine cones and tiny sticks and I don't know, this stuff on the ground. I don't know what this is. It's like fibrous stuff. I don't know, maybe that comes off the tree. But birds can use all that stuff to make nests because they'll probably be having babies. So there you go, the final product. And we will come back to this probably in a couple of days. All right, I'll see you on the next one.